So, Haj
something.
Moses,
Yes?
in your experience,
Yes,
how best can someone understand the taxation principles, especially for theory? I tried to read like in the previous exam, and the theory is just too much. It is a lot. So, in your experience, how best can someone understand the concepts?
now you see, Hidayah, that's what I said. Before we do a number, let us read and understand the theory bit, because numbers come from theory. Imagine they ask you to compute what's the due date of payment. How do you plan tax issues? Imagine, Hidayah, you've been hired to do tax planning for someone. How do you ably plan? But all that we do comes from what we have studied. There is no short path to tax planning, for instance. Okay? But tax planning comes from the principles that you've applied. Okay? They used to ask that, would it be advantageous for someone to set up a factory in an industrial park or somewhere else? But you never find in the acts telling you, please invest or set up a factory in an industrial park. We just look at the advantages that are in the law of why someone should set up an industry in an industrial park. So the theory bits come from what we are going to study through and through. And that's why I emphasize, guys, don't just get past papers, sit and do. You need to read the study pack, then attempt. Read the study pack, master the theory. Because the study pack has theory, right? And a few questions here and there. Master the study pack, attempt the theory, attempt the past papers. But within the study pack, that's when you get what to answer. They can ask you about the new trends in taxation. And these days we have IFRIS. Silently, it may not be in the study pack, but you can hear people talking about IFRIS. That's a new trend. Okay? So please, Hidayah, read the study pack, master employment income, then when you come to a theory question, attempt. Okay? If someone has multiple employments, how are they taxed? You find it in the study pack. Then when they ask, attempt. Okay? So, Hidayah, with that question, don't rely so much on past papers. You first read and master the theory. Then you put it into practice. Okay? Read, understand, practice. Don't practice, then you go back and read. Okay? First read, practice. Then you find things are easy. Yes, I know the theory is a lot. If you look at the customs theory, oh my, it's a lot. But let us master. There are certain things that we need to master from that theory that will be key. Right? Hidayah. Alice, you're welcome. Alice, Patience, you're welcome. Hidayah, I was saying, please read the theory bit, then practice. Okay? You know, yes, submit. I'm off. Submit. Guys, submit. I'm listening. Hello. Hello. Alice, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Patience. How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
Moses is my name.
I'm Alice Patience Kasede.
Is this your first time attempting tax?
No, I did it in December, but I didn't do it in May. I didn't sit exams in May.
You
So
did that? Okay.
So I attempted it in December sitting, but I didn't sit any exams in May, so I'm doing it
December,
this
December,
August of
December
last year.
sitting, like P11?
No, I was 17.
Okay. So you're welcome, Alice.
Thank you.
Let's move together, okay?
Yes.
What is your expectation? These other people have submitted. You also submit. What's your expectation from me?
From this particular webinar?
No. Paper 17
Paper 17.
in general.
What I expect from you?
I'm putting it down, by the way. Okay?
Yeah.
So I don't forget, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
I think I would expect us to go through numbers, but I attended your first class and that's what you did. So I think that was a bit covered. So expect like going through numbers and you guiding us on maybe the common mistakes that we tend to make, especially sometimes when you've done paper 11 and you think you know paper 17 because they're somehow similar, but there are those key things that differentiate them. Maybe just highlighting those. Yeah, I think that's it.
Any other? Feel free.
No, nothing in particular. So.
So, Alice, you need to get the new study pack. Eh? Don't rely on the old one, okay?
Yes, for this year, yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. We are starting class on Saturday, by the way. We are supposed to start at the end of the month, but I requested that we start early. So that towards the
December or August? Because August, I think you started, no?
Yeah, August we started.
Yes.
Yeah, but for those who are doing September, December, we're starting on Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah. Andrew, do you have any questions for me? Andrew?
Yes.
Yes, Andrew.
Yes. As for now, I don't have any question, but I would always let us just get organized and we kick off the class for December with good spirit. I know we are going to make it.
Thank you, Andrew. Ruth? Let's do one more round and we call it a day. Ruth? Ruth, are you there? Agava, your final shots? Agava, your final shots? Hidaya, are you ready with your final shots? Yes, Agava.
My final comments would be thank you for the time, and we really hope to keep engaging with you and engaged with you and have a nice experience ahead in the 5 months ahead.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Hidaya, final point?
For me, I really like the fact that the class is going to be interactive. You force some of us to get out of our comfort zone. So I like that, and I'm excited to attend the classes and interact more with you.
Yeah, thank you. Ruth, do you have anything you want to tell us? Alice, what's your last point for today? Alice, Patience?
As much as I didn't get much of the webinar, I think it's really helpful that it gives us like an overview of what to expect. So I appreciate arrangement for it.
Mm.
And looking forward to learning from you and benefiting from the guidance as we prepare for the paper.
Alice, are you doing August?
Yes, I am.
Were you with us?
On Thursday?
Yeah.
Was it Wednesday? Yes.
Wednesday. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Okay. So, guys, as I said, feel free to ask as much as you want. Okay. And maybe sometimes I can be busy, but I will attend to you. Okay. Just know, as I said, I don't want you guys to donate your money. I want you to get the money's worth. And I'm very serious about it. I want you to get the money's worth so that one time, sail through. Okay? So if you don't have any other thing to discuss, why don't we call it a day? It is Sunday lunchtime. Okay? Can we call it a day? Can we call it a day? Today I've seen your comments. God willing. Okay? But where I come from, if you have not advertised, you can't apply. Okay? But when they do advertise, I will be the first person to tell you guys to apply. Okay? There is no harm with that. Right? So can we call it a day, guys? Or you still want to engage me? It's your call. Can you call it a day?
Yes, we can.
Can we call it a day?
Yes, we can call it a day, a evening.
Okay, looking forward to seeing those who are starting on Saturday, and then the guys who are doing August. We have a session tomorrow and Wednesday. So please be there. And you saw how I'm doing the thing. We are not rushing through a question. We're taking baby steps so that we master whatever has to be mastered within this short period of time. For Saturday, guys, the books will be ready. And please, if you've made your payment, please pick that copy. The revision, guys, I left you with a question. We shall continue from where we stopped at the other time. We finish that and do the second question. Have a lovely weekend. And I'm looking forward to meeting you guys individually. I rest my case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.